Spring and April are often associated with celebration and the celebration of the beginning of spring and the celebration of new beginnings. So guess what today's tip is? Celebration. It is a very simple reminder to you that if you are organizing, when you are organizing, especially if you are shedding, eliminating, downsizing, sorting, trying to declutter, my reminder to you is to celebrate your successes, no matter how small or how grand. In this season of celebration in the Jewish faith over Passover, celebration in the Christian faith over Easter, and many other celebrations in faiths around the world, reminder to you to celebrate your successes in organizing. And it truly doesn't matter how small that success was. If you had 10 boxes to sort and you promised yourself that you would at least get rid of one box or downsize enough to get rid of one, then when you got down to 9 boxes, give yourself a big old pat on the back. Congratulations, you did it. If you decided that you were going to shed and eliminate 50% of the books on your bookshelf and you got through that 50%, congratulations, you did it. A big old pat on the back to you. If you decided you were going to spend 10 minutes every night for 1 week simply picking up the things that are on the floor in an effort to declutter and get them put back where their homes were, and you were able to accomplish that, then applaud yourself. Give yourself a big old thumbs up. Congratulations, you did it. Celebrations are incredibly important. They're important to help you stay motivated, help you stay inspired, and to acknowledge the accomplishments, no matter how small, that you have made. So congratulations on the accomplishments that you have made so far. I'd love to hear about them in the comments below.